This herbal tea keeps your digestion strong even after 65. As we age, digestive problems can become a common concern. Slow metabolism, decreased stomach acid, and other age-related factors can make digestion less efficient. Digestive issues such as bloating, constipation, and acid reflux can significantly affect quality of life. But the good news is that there are natural remedies, herbal teas that have been shown to improve digestive health. In this article, we will explore the top 6 herbal teas that are not only delicious but also backed by scientific research, offering proven benefits to seniors over 65. 1. Ginger tea, a natural remedy for digestive discomfort. Ginger, a powerful root with a long history of use in traditional medicine, is one of the best herbs for digestive health. It's especially useful for seniors who struggle with bloating, nausea, and indigestion. As a warm, soothing tea, ginger has the ability to gently stimulate the digestive process and reduce discomfort. How ginger tea works. Ginger contains bioactive compounds such as gingerol, which are responsible for its therapeutic properties. Studies have shown that ginger can help speed up gastric emptying, which is important for individuals who suffer from slow digestion, a common issue as we age. A clinical study published in a journal of gastroenterology showed that ginger significantly reduced the feeling of bloating and discomfort by enhancing gastrointestinal motility. Additionally, ginger has anti-inflammatory properties that can soothe the stomach lining and reduce irritation caused by conditions like acid reflux. A 2019 review published in Phytotherapy Research found that ginger helped with nausea and vomiting, conditions that are common with digestive disorders or after taking certain medications. How to prepare ginger tea. To make fresh ginger tea, peel and slice about 1 inch of fresh ginger root. Add it to a pot of boiling water and let it steep for 10 to 15 minutes. Strain and serve with honey or lemon for additional flavor. Drinking this tea after meals can help settle your stomach and promote digestion. 2. Peppermint tea, the perfect tea for digestive relief. Peppermint tea is another herbal option that has been extensively studied for its positive effects on digestion. It is especially helpful for seniors who suffer from irritable bowel syndrome, IBS, bloating, or discomfort in the stomach. How peppermint tea works. Peppermint contains menthol, a compound that has been shown to relax the muscles in the digestive tract, relieving symptoms of cramping and bloating. Peppermint has been used as a digestive aid for centuries, and modern research supports its use for treating indigestion and irritable bowel syndrome, IBS. According to a study published in Digestive Diseases and Sciences, peppermint oil capsules were shown to significantly improve symptoms of IBS, such as bloating, abdominal pain, and gas. Peppermint also promotes bile flow, which helps break down fats more effectively, aiding digestion. For seniors, this can be especially beneficial as digestive processes tend to slow with age. How to prepare peppermint tea. To make peppermint tea, steep fresh peppermint leaves or tea bags in hot water for 10 minutes. You can add honey or lemon for a pleasant taste. This tea can be consumed after meals or at any time when digestive discomfort occurs, as it helps relax the digestive tract. 3. Chamomile tea, a gentle healer for your digestive tract. Chamomile is widely known for its calming effects, and its digestive benefits are just as noteworthy. For seniors, chamomile tea is a gentle remedy to soothe an upset stomach, reduce bloating, and relieve indigestion. How chamomile tea works. Chamomile contains flavonoids, which are powerful antioxidants that help reduce inflammation in the stomach and intestines. Chamomile also has mild sedative properties, which can be particularly helpful for seniors who suffer from stress-related digestive problems. According to a study published in Phytomedicine, chamomile was shown to improve gastrointestinal function by increasing gastric motility and reducing gastric acid secretion, which can aid in digestion and prevent heartburn. Chamomile also calms the nervous system, which can help reduce stress-induced digestive issues. This is especially important for older adults, as stress and anxiety often affect the digestive system, leading to symptoms like acid reflux and IBS. How to prepare chamomile tea? Chamomile tea is easy to prepare by steeping chamomile flowers or tea bags in hot water for about 5 to 10 minutes. The soothing nature of this tea makes it a perfect bedtime drink, not only for digestion but also to promote sleep and relaxation. For fennel tea, a powerful tea for gas and bloating. Fennel is an underrated herb with fantastic benefits for digestion, especially for seniors dealing with excessive gas, bloating, and indigestion. Fennel seeds have been used in traditional medicine for their digestive properties for centuries. How fennel tea works. Fennel seeds contain anethole, a compound that has been shown to relax the muscles in the gastrointestinal tract, reducing bloating and relieving gas. Fennel also helps stimulate the production of digestive enzymes, which can improve the breakdown of food and alleviate indigestion. A study published in the Journal of Complementary and Alternative Medicine found that fennel seed extract was highly effective in relieving symptoms of indigestion and bloating. Fennel has mild diuretic properties, which help the body flush out excess fluids and toxins, further reducing bloating and water retention. How to prepare fennel tea? To make fennel tea, crush fennel seeds and steep them in boiling water for 10 minutes. Strain and drink this tea after meals to aid digestion and relieve bloating. 5. Dandelion tea, a natural detox for your liver and digestive system. Dandelion tea, often regarded as a weed, is a powerful herbal remedy that supports liver health and improves digestion, making it a great choice for seniors who need to detoxify their bodies and improve digestive efficiency. How dandelion tea works. Dandelion is a rich source of antioxidants and anti-inflammatory compounds that support liver function. It stimulates bile production, which helps break down fats and improves digestion. A study published in the Journal of Medicinal Food found that dandelion extract helps protect the liver from oxidative stress and improves liver function. Dandelion tea is also known to help with digestion by stimulating appetite and reducing bloating. It is a gentle diuretic, which helps eliminate excess water and waste from the body, making it a great choice for seniors who struggle with fluid retention. How to prepare dandelion tea. To prepare dandelion tea, steep dandelion leaves or roots in hot water for 10 to 15 minutes. Dandelion tea can be consumed 1 to 2 times per day to support liver health and promote digestion. 6. Lavender tea, a calming tea for digestion and stress relief. Lavender is renowned for its ability to calm the mind and body, but it also offers significant digestive benefits, especially for seniors dealing with stress-related digestive problems. How lavender tea works. Lavender contains compounds such as linalool, which help reduce stress and promote relaxation. Stress is a major contributor to digestive issues such as indigestion and irritable bowel syndrome, IBS. Lavender tea can calm the nervous system, which helps to reduce digestive discomfort associated with stress. According to a study published in the Journal of Alternative and Complementary Medicine, lavender has been shown to significantly improve sleep and reduce anxiety, both of which can benefit digestion. Lavender also has mild anti-inflammatory properties, which can help soothe an upset stomach and improve digestion. How to prepare lavender tea? To prepare lavender tea, steep dried lavender flowers in hot water for about 5 to 10 minutes. Add honey or lemon for flavor, and enjoy this calming tea in the evening to promote relaxation and support digestion. Conclusion: a healthier digestive system with herbal teas. As we age, digestive issues become increasingly common, but these 6 herbal teas, ginger, peppermint, chamomile, fennel, dandelion, and lavender, offer scientifically proven benefits to support digestion, reduce bloating, and promote overall digestive health in seniors. Incorporating these teas into your daily routine can provide natural, effective relief from digestive discomfort and help support long-term digestive wellness. By making these teas a part of your lifestyle, you can improve your gut health and enjoy a better quality of life well into your golden years. Remember, before starting any new supplement or remedy, it's always best to consult with your healthcare provider, especially if you have underlying medical conditions. Enjoy these soothing teas and take steps to support your digestive health today.